Welcome, dear students. Standard 3rd, subject Mathematics. Students, today in this video, we are going to learn an interesting topic. Before going to start a topic for the day, we just have a quick recapitulation of what you have learned in previous class. Students, what do you see on your screen here? Yes, here are apples. What is the color of an apple? Red, and they are looking so fresh also, right? Yes. So students, let us count here how many apples are there. Okay. We will count together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total there are 9 apples. Okay. Students, if we cut here some apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will cut 5 apples here from 9. So 9 apples minus 5 apple means we will count now remaining apples here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So 9 apples minus 5 apples means remaining apples. How many they are? 4. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Very good. Let us check our answer. Yes. So here are 4 apples. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Students, here the second example. Students, what do you see on your screen here? Yes, here are ice cream. All of you like ice cream? Yes. Just count the ice cream here. We'll count together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the total ice cream, that is candy ice cream, are 10. Now let us count cone ice cream. We will continue the counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So here the total ice creams are 23. If we cut the candy ice cream, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So among 23 ice cream, if we cut 10 candy ice cream, so how many ice creams are remaining here? Let us count the cone ice cream which are remaining here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 23 ice cream minus 10 ice cream, that is 23 minus 10 is equal to 13 ice cream. So students, today we are going to learn about subtraction without borrowing. Subtraction without borrowing. In this topic, we are going to learn 4 subtopics. They are subtraction, okay, means subtract. Then the second one, subtract in a vertical way. Then the third one, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. And the fourth one is subtract in horizontal arrangement. Now the next one here, student. Look at the picture and solve it. Student, what do you see on your screen here? Which picture you can see? Yes, here are beads. Yes, 2 beads, bundle of beads and 3 separated beads here. Yes. So how many separated beads are here? 1, 2, 3. Separated beads are called units. And what about the bundle beads here? How many bundles of beads here? 2, right? 1 and 2. In one bundle, how many beads are there? Let us count that. Okay, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So both the bundles are having 10 beads. Means there are 2 tens here, and the separated one, those are extra beads. They are called units here. Okay. Now 3 minus 2. First we will go to the units column. Students, always remember that whenever you do addition, subtraction, etc. So you always have to start from the unit side, means units place. Okay. Now first we will see the units place here. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means here the 3 units were given, means 3 separated beads. If we cut 3 minus 2 means we have to cut 2 beads here. 1, 2. If we cut 2 beads, so how many remaining here? Yes, 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to, very good, 1. So we will write here 1. Now let us move to the tens column, students. Here the 2 bundles, right, of tens. 10 beads in each bundle. So 2 tens minus 1 means if we cut 1 10, then how many will remain here? Only 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Very good. So 1 10 and 1 unit. Here it's called 1 10 and 1 unit. So the answer is here 11. Students, here the next sum. Student, so how many tens are here? 3. And how many separated beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 beads, that is separated, and the 3 tens. Okay. Now 5 beads. Okay, we have to cut from that 2, means 5 minus 2. We will cut now 1, 2. Okay, so how many remaining here? 1, 2 and 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to, very good, 3. Now let us move to the tens column. So 3 minus 2 means 3 tens minus 2 tens. Okay, if we cut 2 tens here, 1, 2. So how many remaining here? Yes, here is remaining now 1 10. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 110. So what is the answer here? 110 and 3 units means 13. Students, now let us move to the next one here. Ajit has 257 rupees. Use the picture below and work out how much money he had left over. He gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Ajit has 257 rupees, right? Yes. 2 notes of 100 rupees each, which means 2 hundreds. 5 notes of rupees 10 each, which means 5 tens. And 7 coins of 1 rupees, which means 7 units. Out of this, he gave 150 rupees to Manoj, which means 100, 5 tens and 0 units. For subtraction, let us see the units column first. 7 minus is 0 minus. Means 7 units minus 0 units is equal to 7. Now let us move to the next one, that is tens column. 5 tens minus 5 tens. Now let us cut first 5 tens here. Means 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many remaining here? 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes. Now let us move to the hundreds column here. 2 hundreds minus 100 is 100. Okay. Now let us cut first one here. 100. So how many remaining here? 100 note. So 100, 0, 10 and 7 units. Okay, which means Ajit is left over 107 rupees. Let us see the sum here, the first sum here. 749 minus 438. Students, always remember that we have to begin subtraction or addition from the unit sides only. So, let us begin from the units column first. 9 units minus 8 units. Let us cut here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, how many remaining here? 1. Means 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 unit. Let us move to the next one here. That is tens column. 4 tens minus 3 tens means we will cut here 1, 2, 3. How many remaining here? 1. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now let us move to the hundreds column here. 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds means we have to cut here 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many remaining here? 1, 2, 3. So 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is equal to 3 hundreds. So the answer is here 3 hundreds, 110 and 1 unit means 311. Students, let us move to the next one here. 545 minus 2. You know that we began subtraction from the units column. So 5 units minus 2 units is 3 units. In the tens column we have only 4 tens. And so the answer is here 4 tens. And in the hundreds column we have only 5. So it is 5. So it is 5 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 units. Which means the answer is here 543. Now let us move to the next sum here, students. 458 minus 44 means 400, 5 tens and 8 units minus 44 means 8 minus 4 is very good, 4 means 4 units. Now let us move to the tens column. 5 tens minus 4 tens is, if we minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Now let us move to the 100. In 100 only one number we are having, that is 4. So 4 will remain as 4. So the answer is here 4 hundreds, 110 and 4 units. So here 414. So answer is here 414. Students, here the next one. Arrange vertically and add them. 654 minus 200. First we will arrange them vertically as here and writing them like HTU. Students, you know that HTU stands for, H is for hundreds, T is for tens and U is for units. 654 means 6 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 units. Then 200 we have to minus 200. Means 2 hundreds, 0 10 and 0 unit. We need to begin our subtraction from the unit column. Always remember, okay? Means 4 units minus 0 units is 4 units. Now let us move to the tens column. In tens column, 5 tens minus 0 10 is 5 tenths. Very good. Then in the hundreds column, 600 minus 200 is 400. Means 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is here 4 hundreds, 5 tenths and 4 units. Means 454. Now let us move to the next one here. 772 minus 341. Students, 772 minus 341 means 7 hundreds, 7 tenths and 2 units minus 3 hundreds, 4 tenths and 1 unit, which means 2 minus 1 means 2 units minus 1 unit is very good 1. Now let us move to the tens column. 7 tenths minus 4 tenths is very good 3 tenths. Now let us move to the hundreds column, students. 7 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is means 7 minus 3 is 4. Very good. So the answer is here 4 hundreds, 3 tenths and 1 unit means 431. Students, now here the next one. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. The first sum here, 315 minus 517. Now we have here 517 is bigger. So we will arrange vertical order, writing HTU. Now 517 is 5 hundreds, 110 and 7 units minus 315 means 3 hundreds, 110 and 5 units. So we will subtract from the units column, that is 7 units minus 5 units is very good 2 units. Now tens column, 110 minus 110 is 0 tenths. Very good. Means 1 minus 1 is 0. Now hundreds column, 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is 2 hundreds. Very good. So the answer is here 2 hundreds, 0 10 and 2 units means 202. Now let us move to the next one. Next sum here. 300 minus 700, 300 minus 700. We will start from the bigger number, that is 700. 7 hundreds, 0 10 and 0 unit. Now the 300, 3 hundreds, 0 10 and 0 unit. So we will begin the subtraction from the unit side, that is 0 minus 0 means 0 unit minus 0 unit is student 0. Very good. Now the tens column here, 0 tenths minus 0 10 is 0 tenths. Now the hundreds column here, 7 hundreds minus 3 hundreds means 4 hundreds. Very good. So the answer is here 4 hundreds, 0 10 and 0 unit means 400. Students, now here subtraction in horizontal arrangement means subtract the units from the units, the tens from the tens and the 100 from the hundreds. Student, you have to subtract here from the units means here 5 units minus 3 units is 2 units. Now the tens here, 4 tens minus 4 tens is 0 10. Now the hundreds here, 3 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is 100. So the answer is here 102 means 100, 0, 10 and 2 units. So the total is here 102. Student, this is just an example for you. In next slide we will solve the real examples. Real sum means. Student, here the first example of subtract in horizontal arrangement, that is 417 minus 305. As we know, student, we have to subtract from units with units, tens from tens and 100 from 100. So here first we will begin a subtraction from the units column, that is 7 minus 5 is equal to means 7 units minus 5 units is 2 units. Very good. Then the tens column, 110 minus 010 is 110. Then the hundreds column here, student, 400s minus 300s is very good, 100. So the answer is here 100, 110 and 2 units means 112. Students, here the next example of horizontal arrangement. 779 minus 250. Horizontal arrangement, as I taught you, we have to subtract from hundreds with hundreds, tens with tens and units with units. Okay? So first we will begin a subtraction from the units column. That is 9 minus 0 unit means 9 units minus 0 unit is 9 unit. Now the tens column, 7 tens minus 5 tens is 2 tens. Very good. Now here the next hundreds column, 7 hundreds minus 2 hundreds means 5 hundreds. So the answer is here, student, 5 hundreds, 2 tens and 9 units. So the answer is here 529. So student, today we have learnt about subtraction without borrowing. In this we learnt 4 subtopics, that is subtract. Second one, subtract in a vertical way. Third one, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. And the fourth one is subtract in horizontal arrangement. Students, now here the homework time. Question number 1, subtract. 3 sums are given here. Question number 2, arrange vertically and subtract them. 2 sums are given. And question number 3, subtract in horizontal arrangement. Students, try to solve this sum by yourself. After solving, you can check your answer in next slide. Students, here the answers are given. You can go through and correct your answer. Student, here the sums are solved of subtract in horizontal arrangement. You can check your answers. Thank you, dear students.